So we're asking you to complete this worksheet that you will find under Modules in the Canvas Battles of the American Revolutionary Google Maps project. You will open this up. It will open as a Google Doc on your Chromebooks, and you will fill in the answers for this worksheet. So that is the first thing that you need to do in researching the battles that are listed here below. Once this is complete, what we are asking you to do is to create a My Map. So you will go to Google and you will type in My Maps, and your rubric is on Canvas, so if you want to know how it's going to be graded, you then click on My Maps. When you come back to this, if you work on your map and you don't complete it the first day, you would click on Open a Map, but because you're creating a new one the first day, you're going to click on Create a New Map. You do need to make sure you are logged into your email to be able to access this. The first thing you are going to do is rename it to Revolutionary War so we know which map this is. Save. You are then going to click on Share and share it with your social studies teacher. So if you have Mr. Howe, you'll come down here, you'll type in his full email address. It will probably not pop up for you. You'll have to type in his full email address, which he can help you with. Click Send, and he will be able to see the maps as you are working on them. Okay, I am not going to do that since I am just showing you how to use the My Maps. Once you have shared it and titled it, it's time to get started. So one of the first battles that you might do is the Battle of Kings Mountain. That's one of the ones you are asked to do. So the first thing you need to do is make sure this is in the right spot. So you will have done the research. In your research, you need to make sure you include the year and the location of each battle so that you can make sure this is in the right spot. Then you will click on Add to Map, and you're going to retitle this. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to edit, and I want to call this the Battle of Kings Mountain. Make sure you're spelling things correctly, as that is part of your grade on your rubric. In here, this is where you're going to write it as a historical marker. There are some examples on Canvas that you can look at, but what you must include is the date, the location, and then answer the questions that have been posed for each battle. You will then, once that is written complete and spelling is correct, you will click on Add Image. And you may add an image. So this is the Battle of Kings Mountain. And I'm going to search, and I actually like this map instead of just a photograph. And this is coming from Learn-NC. It shares right here where it's coming from. So I'm going to click Select. Now you have to click Save or it will not save the work you've just done. Click Save, and there it is. So that would be your first battle done. Another one you've been asked to do is the Battle of Bunker Hill. I would have done my research on it. Notice that this is correct. I would click on Add to Map. Then I'm going to click on it and edit it. So I click on the pencil, and I would change that to the Battle of Bunker Hill. Put in my summary from my research, which would include the date, the location, and then the questions that your teachers have posed. Making sure you're spelling everything right. It is in complete sentences. Go to Photograph. Now this time it's going to show the photographs from your last search. Just click Google Image Search again. Do Battle of Bunker Hill. Find a photograph that you like. Select, Save. Don't forget to save, and there it is. And what you have now created when you finish all your battles is you will have a map that will show where the different battles took place that we're focusing on. And when you click on the markers, then that will give you information about each battle, a historical marker. So good luck with it. Have fun. If you have any questions, please let us know. And hopefully you'll do a great job, and I can't wait to see your maps.